Yes, sir.
Yes.
Yes. Is whiteboard feasible?
Yes, sir.
Okay. So first take two problems from the exact differential equation. Solve cos y plus y cos x dx plus sin x minus x sin y. Dy equal to 0. So how to solve this problem?
So at first check is it exact or non-exact.
Yes. First we should
Then
check.
if it is non-exact,
Then
convert it in exact and
yes.
then solve.
Okay. So first we will check that it is exact or not. So write this equation is in the form mdx plus ndy. It is already given in this form. So what is the value of m? M is by comparing these two equations. Most of it. So what is the value of m? M is equal to cos y plus y cos x, and n is equal to sin x minus x sin y. Now check the condition of for exactness, that is del m del y is equal to del n del x. So here del m del y equal to minus sin y plus cos x, and what is del n del x? Del n del x is cos x minus sin y. So both are equal. Del m del y equal to del n del x. That means the equation is exact. So here the equation is exact, as it is del m del y equal to del n del x.
Your integration mdx plus
Yes.
integration n non-containing y, non-containing x dy.
Okay. Or you can do in this way. First, we will do mdx, taking y as a constant, y variable as a constant. So what is integration mdx? That is cos y plus y cos x.
X cos y
Yes,
plus
x
y
cos y
minus sin x.
minus y minus,
No, no, plus only, not minus.
yes,
Plus, sir, plus.
y sin x. So this is integration mdx. Now do integration n dy. Integration n dy, keeping x variable as a constant. That means, what is the value of n? Say someone.
Integration
Sin
sin
x
x
minus
dy.
Sin x minus x sin y.
x sin y.
Yes, sin x minus x sin y. That means x y sin x, sorry, that is y sin x plus x cos y. Now check which terms are common from this, between this and this. If two terms are same, then we consider only one term. Okay, so here x cos y present. In this case, x cos y is also present. Here y sin x is present, and here also y sin x is present. So that means both the terms are same. So we will consider the terms only one. Okay, so that means the solution will be x cos y plus y sin x equal to c. C is integrating constant. This is the solution. Clear?
Yes, sir.
Okay. Now take another problem, that is y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx within bracket 2xy square minus 3y square dy equal to 0. Here, what is m? M is this one, y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube, and n is 2xy e to the power xy square minus 3y square. Now check the equation is exact or not.
So exact, sir.
Yes, what is the value of del m curly y?
2y e to the power xy square plus y square ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে 2xy into e to the power xy square.
Once again, 2y square e to the power xy square, then y square into 2xy, okay, e to the power xy square, and then that is 2xy cube. This is not 2y square, this is 2y. So 2y e to the power xy square plus 2xy cube e to the power xy square. And del n del x
সেমই আসছে স্যার।
সেমই আসছে। ওকে, so that is 2y e to the power xy square plus 2xy cube 2xy cube e to the power xy square. That means the differential equation is exact differential equation. So now do integration m dx. So what is the value of integration m dx? What is m? M is y square e to the power xy square plus 4x cube dx. So keeping y as a constant, then this integration, this for this integration term, we will get y square e to the power xy square by y square plus this one will be x to the power 4. So that means e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4. And if we do integration n dy, what is n?
স্যার মাইনাস 3y স্কোয়ার ডিওয়াই, ইন্টিগ্রেশন মাইনাস 3y স্কোয়ার ডিওয়াই।
Only integration minus 3y square dy.
স্যার নট কন্টেনিং এক্স করে দিচ্ছি ডাইরেক্ট স্যার আসলে।
Okay. Not containing x minus 3y square. Then you will get minus y cube. Okay, so what is the complete primitive or general solution here? This is e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4 minus y cube. This is equal to c. This is the general solution. Now come to the next topic.
স্যার এনটা পুরোটা নিলাম না কেন?
এখানে পুরোটা যদি নাও তাহলে একটা টার্ম কমন আসবে, নিয়ে দেখতে পারো। এখানে তোমার একটা টার্ম ছিল হচ্ছে n is equal to 2xy e to the power xy square. 2xy e to the power xy square. Here we treat x as a constant. So if we integrate this term, we will get put y square equal to z, then 2y dy equal to dz. So that means here 2x is constant, so first write 2x, and now this is 2y dy equal to dz. That means y dy equal to dz by 2. So integration y e to the power xy square dy will be dz by 2 half e to the power x z dz. That means e to the power xz by x half. So this is half e to the power xz by x. Okay, so x will be cancel out, 2 will be cancel out. Final we get minus y cube plus e to the power x z, and z can be written as y square. So this is e to the power xy square, and these two terms are common. Okay, so we will consider only once. So the solution remains same, e to the power xy square plus x to the power 4 minus y cube. Clear?
স্যার লবিতে মনে হয় 2-4 জন ওয়েট করছে স্যার।
ওকে, কেউ কাউকে তো দেখতে পাচ্ছি না এখানে। আচ্ছা আচ্ছা এবার আসছে মনে হচ্ছে। So in the previous class we have read the linear equations. What is the standard form of linear equations? That is dy dx plus py equal to q, where p and q are functions of x. Now the next topic is equations reducible to linear form. Equations reducible to linear form. This form is called, this equation is called Bernoulli's equation.
স্যার বার্নালি ইকুয়েশনে তো কিউ এর সাথে ওয়াই টু দি পাওয়ার এন থাকে, আর এটা তো লেবনিজ ইকুয়েশন মনে হচ্ছে আই থিঙ্ক।
Yes, আমি এখনো লিখিনি ফর্মটা। ইকুয়েশনস রিডিউসিবল টু লিনিয়ার ফর্ম, এটা ছিল লিনিয়ার ইকুয়েশন। ফর্মটা এখন লিখবো। So this is dy dx plus py equal to q into y to the power n. Okay, so we will convert this equation to linear equation. So for converting, we divide both sides by y to the power n. By y to the power n. That means this equation will be 1 by y to the power n dy dx plus p y by y to the power n. That means 1 by y to the power n minus 1 equal to q. Now substitute 1 by y to the power n minus 1 equal to z. 1 by y to the power n minus 1 equal to z, or you can say this is y to the power 1 minus n equal to z. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. That means this is 1 minus n y to the power minus n, and this is dy dx equal to dz dx. So 1 by y to the power n dy dx, that will be 1 minus 1 by 1 minus n dz dx. Now if you put this equation number 1, so equation 1 becomes so this is 1 by y to the power n dy dx, that means dz dx 1 by 1 minus n dz dx plus this is p pz equal to q. Okay, now this converts, this equation is a linear equation. So now you can solve this equation easily by taking the integrating factor in this form, e to the power integration p dz, sorry p dx. Okay, so now take some problems. Solve xy minus dy dx equal to y cube e to the power minus x square. So this equation is an Bernoulli's equation. So first rewrite this equation by taking the minus common. So that will be dy dx minus xy equal to minus y cube e to the power minus x square. Now this is Bernoulli's equation. We will divide this equation by y cube. This means this is 1 by y cube dy dx minus x by y square equal to minus e to the power minus x square. Now put minus 1 by y square equal to z. So that means minus y to the power minus 2 equal to z. Now differentiate with respect to x on both sides. You will get 2 y to the power minus 3 dy dx equal to dz dx. Okay, so 1 by y cube dy dx equal to 1 by 2 dz dx. Now equation 1 becomes 1 by 2 dz dx
plus xz
plus xz, okay, equal to what? E to the minus
minus e to the power minus x square.
minus x square. So dz dx plus 2x z equal to minus 2 to the power minus x square. Now this equation is linear equation. What is the integrating factor of this equation?
E to the power x square.
Okay, e to the power 2x dx, that means e to the power x square. So now then next how to solve this? This is z dependent variable into integrating factor. This is equal to the right hand side of this equation into integrating factor. So minus 2 e to the power minus x square into integrating factor. This is dx plus some constant. So this is z into e to the power x square integration minus 2 e to the power minus x square into e to the power x square dx plus c. So this term will be, and this we cancel out. So this is minus 2x plus c z. So you can write this e to the power minus x square. Okay. So this is the answer. And now put the values of z. What is z? Z is equal to minus 1 by y square. Then you will get the answer minus 1 by y square. This is equal to minus 2x plus c e to the power minus x square. Now take another problem. Sin y dy dx equal to cos x 2 cos y minus sin square x. This is not the Bernoulli's equation, but you should convert this equation to linear form by substituting some variable. So how to make this equation linear? Put cos y equal to z. So you will get minus sin y dy dx equal to dz dx. So that means sin y dy dx equal to minus dz dx. Now from this given equation, you will get minus dz dx equal to cos x, and this is minus 2z minus sin square x. Cancelling the minus sign from both sides, so dz dx equal to,
স্যার ওটা -2z হবে না শুধু 2z হবে?
sorry, this is plus 2z. So this will be minus, this can be right also in this form, plus 2z cos x equal to minus sin square x cos x. Okay. This is a linear equation. Now the integrating factor will be e to the power integration 2 cos x dx. That is e to the power 2 sin x.
স্যার রাইট সাইডে এটা মাইনাস সাইন কি থাকবে?
স্যার মাইনাসটা থাকবে না, প্লাস হবে রাইট সাইডে।
আচ্ছা, both side তে minus cancel করা হয়েছে, so this is plus, so e to the power 2 sin x. So next the solution will be z into e to the power integrating factor, that is z into e to the power 2 sin x. This is integration, right hand side is sin square x cos x, sin square x cos x e to the power 2 sin x dx plus c. Now substitute sin x equal to t. Sin x equal to t gives cos x dx equal to dt, that is t square e to the power, this is 2t, this is cos x dx is dt plus c, and here z into e to the power 2 sin x. Now using integration by parts, taking e to the power 2t as a first function, sorry, t square, take t square as a first function, e to the power 2t dt minus, that will be t square, that means 2t, and here this will be e to the power 2t by 2 dt, this is plus c, so this is t square e to the power 2t by 2, this will be minus 2, that means minus integration t to the power 2t dt plus c. Again we will use the integration by parts, that means t t e to the power 2t by 2. This is minus e to the power differentiate of t will be 1. This is e to the power 2t by 2 dt plus c. Am I right? Check once. So this, that means t square. T square will be sine square x by 2 e to the power 2 sine x minus. Okay, take e to the power 2t common. Take e to the power 2t common. That means e to the power sine x will be common. So this is sine square x by 2 minus t by 2. That means sine x by 2. This is plus half, and here this is e to the power, that will be 4, 1 by 4. And that is e to the power 2 sine x plus c. And here this is z into e to the power 2 sine x. This gives z equal to e to the power 2 sine x will be cancelled out, and from this to term, this is sine square x by 2 minus sine x by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus c e to the power minus 2 sine x. And what was z? Z is cos y. Z is cos y. Cos y equal to sine square x by 2 minus sine x by 2 plus 1 by 4 c e to the power minus 2 sine x. Let me check the answer. The answer is given cos y equal to sine square x by 2 minus sine x by 2 plus 1 by 4 plus c. Okay, so this is right. Clear? Okay, the next chapter is linear equations with constant coefficients. Linear equations with constant coefficients. So the standard form is please mute yourself. Kamal Bora, please mute yourself. So this is the standard form of linear equations with constant coefficients. Here P1, P2 up to Pn. are constants, okay, and q is a function of x. You can consider also p1, p2 as a functions of x, but in the first topic we will consider the p1, p2 are constant. So in the next page we will consider p1, p2 are functions of x, but in the first topic we will consider this is constant, but these are functions of x. Similarly q also. But first we consider p1, p2 up to pn are constant.
স্যার ওটা ঠিক বুঝলাম না, মানে ওগুলো কি কনস্ট্যান্টস হবে না ফাংশনস
না,
হবে?
ফাংশনস অফ এক্স হবে, কিন্তু প্রথমে আমরা কনস্ট্যান্ট ধরে কনসিডার করব, তারপরে ফেজে আমরা ওগুলোকে ফাংশনস অফ এক্স ধরবো, ঠিক আছে?
আচ্ছা আচ্ছা।
So take here, first we will take n equal to 1. Okay, n equal to 1 and q equal to 0. So that means the equation will be in the form dy dx plus p1y, dy dx plus p1y equal to 0. So this is very simple. You can solve in this way also. Dy dx equal to minus p1y by separation of variable, that is dy by y equal to minus p1 dx. So this will gives log y equal to minus p1x plus log c. That means y by c equal to e to the power minus p1x. So this will gives y equal to c e to the power minus p1x. Okay, so if we take n equal to 1, this is very simple. Now further we will consider n equal to 2. We will consider n equal to 2 and take q equal to 0. Okay, so in this case we will consider a trial solution. So first write the differential equation. The differential equation will be d2y dx2 plus here this is p1 dy dx plus p2y. This is p1 dy dx plus p2y equal to 0. Now we consider a trial solution. Let the trial solution be, always consider the trial solution in this form for this type of equation. Y equal to a into e to the power mx, where m is a constant. M is constant. So in this case, if we substitute this value in the differential equation, so we will get a, this will be m square, so that is a m square e to the power mx plus this is this will be a mp1 e to the power mx plus p2 a e to the power mx equal to 0. Now this trial solution, for the trivial case you will get 0. For the non-trivial case you consider this equal, this is not equal to 0. Okay, if a equal to 0, then this y will give 0. That will be trivial solution, but for non-trivial case we will consider this is not equal to 0. So in this case e to the power mx, a into e to the power mx, rather this is m square plus this will be mp1 plus p2 equal to 0. So in this case, if we consider for the non-trivial solution, that is a to the power mx not equal to 0, so this will gives m square plus mp1 plus p2 equal to 0. Now this is a quadratic equation, as we know. So it has two roots. It has two roots. Say say alpha and beta. Okay, say alpha and beta. Now, if now the conditions are if alpha and beta are real, if or the solution method. First, if alpha and beta are real and distinct, then we can write the solution is in this form: y equal to c1 e to the power alpha x plus c2 e to the power beta x. In the second choice, if alpha and beta are real and equal, then that means alpha equal to beta. So we can write this, you can write the solution in this form: e to the power alpha x c1 plus c2x. In the third case, if alpha and beta are complex, that is, consider alpha equal to, in this way, m1 plus iota m2, and beta must be what? If alpha equal to m1 plus iota m2, then beta must be
alpha minus I beta.
sorry,
M1 minus
m1
I
minus m1 minus
M1 minus I
iota
M2.
m2. Beta must be conjugate of alpha. So here in this case the solution will be in this form. Here m1 is the real part, so we write e to the power m1x e to the power m1x. Now you can write c1 e to the power iota m2x plus c2 e to the power minus iota m2x, or you can write in this form also: e to the power m1x c1. Here you can take this is c3. Okay, c3 cos m2x plus c4 sin m2x, c4 sin m2x. Or in the first case, you can write the solution in this form also: c1 in this case, okay, no, this is much better. So these are the three types of solution. Okay, so take one problem. d2y dx2 minus plus 3 dy dx minus 54y equal to 0. So we will take the trial solution. We consider y equal to a into e to the power mx not equal to 0 be a trial solution. So the auxiliary equation, is d2y for d2y dx2 you can write this is by m square. Okay, for dy dx you can write this is m and this is minus 54 equal to 0. So just use m square in the place of d2y dx2, m in the place of dy dx, and y, and 1 in the place of y. So that is m square plus 3m minus 54. What are the roots? This can be right. This is m plus 9. M plus 9 into m minus 6 equal to 0, which gives m equal to 6 minus 9. So here the roots are real and unequal.
C1 e to the power 6x plus C2 e to the power minus 9x.
Yes, c1 into e to the power 6x plus c2 e to the power minus 9x. This is the solution of the differential equation. Now take another problem. d2y dx2 minus 6 dy dx plus 13y equal to 0. So the trial solution will be same, y equal to a into e to the power mx not equal to 0. Auxiliary equation. What is the auxiliary equation for this differential equation?
D square minus 6d plus 13 equal to 0.
No, in terms of m. So that will be m square. You can write this differential equation in this form: d square minus 6d plus 13 y equal to 0. Here d for ddx.
Yes, sir. Yes, sir.
But for auxiliary equation, you should write m square minus 6m plus 13 equal to 0. And what is the roots? Okay, we'll use 13. We use Siddharacharya formula, that is m equal to that will be minus b, that is 6 plus minus b square minus 4ac will be, this is 36 minus 52 by 2. So this is 6 plus minus 36 minus 52, 16. This is 4i, 4 iota by 2. That is 3 plus minus 2 iota. These are the roots of the auxiliary equation. So what will be the solution? Y equal to, what will be the solution here?
E to the power 3x into C1 cos 2x plus B
Cos 2x
cos
plus
2x sin 2x.
sin 2x. This will be the solution for this differential equation. Okay. Now take another problem. The problem is solve d to the power, okay, take in this form, d to the power 4y dx to the power 4 plus a to the power 4y equal to 0. The trial solution will be the same. The trial solution is y equal to a into e to the power mx not equal to 0. and auxiliary equation will be says what is the auxiliary equation?
ইকুয়াল টু এ স্কোয়ার মানে মাইনাস হয় মানে আই কিউ হবে
চেক করে দেখতে পারো একবার। আমি এই প্রসিডিউরটাই ফলো করছি, এটা ফলো করেই দেখছি কি আসছে। তাহলে একবার নিচ্ছি এম স্কোয়ার প্লাস এম রুট টু এম এ প্লাস এ স্কোয়ার ইকুয়াল টু 0 by Siddharacharya formula we will get minus root 2a plus minus b square will be 2 square minus 4ac will be minus 4 square by 2a, so this is 2, that means minus root 2a plus minus 2 square minus 4 square, that is 2 square from outside the root, this is 2 root 2a iota by 2, this will gives minus take a common, that is a minus 1 plus minus minus 1 plus minus iota, sorry, minus 1 plus minus iota, this will be iota, minus 1 plus minus iota by root 2, and from this quadratic equation m square plus a square minus root 2 ma, this is minus root 2 ma we will get this one is plus, so that that will be a m equal to we will get a into 1 plus minus iota by root 2. Am I right or not?
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Yes, sir.
Okay. So now, what was the problem for this type of solution, for this one?
See, sir, last conjugate type, complex quantity.
Complex quantity. So m square will be a square iota. Okay, later I will check that. Now the roots are, that means the roots are a by root 2. So this is 1 plus minus iota, and another one is minus 1 plus minus iota. So first one is 1 plus minus iota, and another one is, another two roots are a by root 2 minus 1 plus minus iota. Now what about the solution? The solution will be e to the power a by root 2 c1,
Cos a by root 2.
yes, c1 cos a x by root 2, or plus c2 sin
Sin x by root 2.
x by root 2
Plus e to the
plus
power minus a by root 2.
minus a by root 2,
ব্র্যাকেটের মধ্যে c3 cos ax by root 2.
not c to the power x by root 2, yeah, c to the power x by root 2, here c to the power minus x by root 2, and now c3 cos ax by root 2 plus c4 sin ax by root 2. Clear? Okay. Now take another one. This will be problem number 4. This is d to the power 4y plus dx to the power 4 plus 8 d2y dx2 plus 16y equal to 0. The trial solution is same, that is y equal to a into e to the power mx, and auxiliary equation will be say, what is the auxiliary equation?
d square plus 4 whole square. মানে
Okay.
d to the 4 plus 8 d square plus 16
Okay,
equal to
okay.
0.
So m square plus 8m square plus 16, that means m
M
square
equal to
plus,
4.
yes, m square plus 4 whole square equal to 0. So that means m square plus 4 equal to 0.
স্যার আগের লাইনে তো m to the power 4 হবে, এটা ভুল বশত m স্কয়ার হয়ে গেছে।
Yes, yes,
Okay,
sir.
okay. M to the power 4 plus 8m square plus 16, that is m square plus 4 equal to 0. That means m square equal to minus 4 again, and sorry, this is that these roots are same, so this is minus 4 and minus 4. So minus 4 or minus 4. Now m will be what? M will be
প্লাস মাইনাস 2i
plus minus 2i plus minus 2i. So what will be the solution? Here the real parts are 0. That means the e to the power m1 x must be 1, as m1 is 0, as m1 is 0 here. Okay, if alpha equal to m1 plus iota m2, then here real part is 0. The solution will be in this form.
A
C1
cos 2x plus B sin 2x.
No, here the roots are repeated. This is 2 iota, again 2 iota, again minus 2 iota, minus 2 iota. So for the repeating case, we should consider in this form C1 plus C2x cos 2x plus C3 plus C4x sin 2x. Suppose there are roots are in this form. Suppose m equal to 2, 2, 2. Then the solution will be in this form C1 plus C2x plus C3 x square e to the power 2x. Okay,
স্যার এটা কমপ্লেক্স টাইপের হলো না কেন স্যার?
কমপ্লেক্স টাইপই আসছে, কমপ্লেক্স টাইপই এসছে। কমপ্লেক্স টাইপের রিয়েল পার্টটা 0 হয়ে যাচ্ছে m1টা, তাহলে আমি cos আর sin দিয়ে লিখেছি। কমপ্লেক্স আসলে তবেই cos sin দিয়ে আসছে। ঠিক আছে, এবার রুটগুলো যেহেতু রিপিট করছে, 2i টা দুবার আছে, 2 iota, সেই জন্য c1 প্লাস c2x আনতে হচ্ছে, তার সাথে আমার এই রুটটা cos 2x। আবার এদিকে মাইনাস 2 iota রিপিট হচ্ছে c3 প্লাস c4x sin 2x। যেরকম একটা এই যে এক্সাম্পলটা দিলাম, যদি আমার 3 টাইমস রিপিট করে 2, 2, 2, তখন সলিউশনটা এইভাবে লিখবো, e to the power 2x তো এসছে, এবার 3 টাইমস রিপিট করছে বলে c1 প্লাস c2x প্লাস c3 x স্কয়ার। ঠিক আছে, মানে ফার্স্টের জন্য e to the power 2x একটা আসলো c1, সেকেন্ডটা আবার রিপিট করছে, তাহলে c2x e to the power c2x e to the power 2x, and থার্ড ওয়ান c3 x স্কয়ার e to the power 2x। যদি 4 টাইমস রিপিট করতো তাহলে আমার
হ্যাঁ স্যার, আগেরটা করলেও একই আসছে, কমন নিয়ে তো একই হয়ে যাচ্ছে নাকি না স্যার?
না, তাহলে তোমাকে আরেকটা সলিউশন c3 প্লাস c4 ওটা বলতে হবে, কিন্তু x গুলো আসতো না তখন কমন নিলে। যদি 4 টাইমস রিপিট করতো তাহলে এরকম আসতো c1 plus c2x plus c3 x square plus c4 x cube into e to the power 2x। ঠিক আছে, আচ্ছা এবার কি পরের পোর্শনটাতে যাবো না ওটা পরের ক্লাসে করাবো?
স্যার আরেকবার সলিউশনটা বোঝাবেন?
হ্যাঁ, এই সলিউশনটা দেখো, এখানে যদি আমার রুট গুলো রিপিট করে, এখানে বলছিলাম কি একটা লিখেছিলাম প্রথমে, এই যে রুট গুলো যদি আমার রিয়েল আর ইকুয়াল হয়ে যায়, রিয়েল আর ইকুয়াল হচ্ছে মানে কি রিপিট করছে, মানে আলফা 2 টাইমস আসছে। আলফা যদি 2 টাইমস আসে, তাহলে আমার 2 টাইমস আসলে x এর পাওয়ারে আসবে 2 - 1 এখানে, এবং c1 প্লাস c2x e to the power alpha x। মানে আমি এইটাকে না লিখে যদি তোমার দুবার আলফা আসতো, আলফা কমা আলফা, অ্যাকচুয়ালি আমি ভাবছি কি এরকম হতো, e to the power alpha x প্লাস c2 e to the power alpha x, মনে হচ্ছে যে এটা হতে পারে। কিন্তু এখানে কি হবে, যেহেতু আমার দুবার রিপিট করছে, সেজন্য এখানে x আসবে। ঠিক আছে, যদি আমার 3 টাইমস রিপিট করতো আলফা আলফা আলফা, তাহলে আসতো কি c1 e to the power alpha x, c2 x e to the power alpha x plus c3 x square e to the power alpha x। ঠিক আছে, তাহলে আমার এখানে রুট গুলো পেয়েছি কি, রুট গুলো পেয়েছিলাম এখানে 2 আয়োটা, 2 আয়োটা, মাইনাস 2 আয়োটা, মাইনাস 2 আয়োটা। এবার 2 আয়োটা আসছে মানে তার কনজুগেটে ডেফিনেটলি মাইনাস 2 আয়োটা আসবে, তাহলে কনজুগেট পেয়ারটা আমার দুবার রিপিট করছে, সেখানে কি করছি c1 প্লাস c2x cos 2x, আবার এখানে c3 প্লাস c4x sin 2x। আর রিয়েল পার্টটা এখানে 0 আছে, সেজন্য e টু দি পাওয়ার যে m1x থাকতো সেটা আসছে না, কারণ m1টা হয়ে যাচ্ছে 0, তার মানে ভ্যালুটা 1 হয়ে যাচ্ছে। বুঝতে পেরেছো?
ইয়েস স্যার।
ওকে, আমরা তো একটা সেরকম প্রপার্টি পড়েছিলাম না, অ্যালজেব্রিক প্রপার্টি, যদি আমার এখানে এফ অফ এক্স একটা পলিনোমিয়াল হয় এবং এফ অফ এক্স ইকুয়াল টু 0 ইকুয়েশনে যদি আমি একটা আলফা রুট পাই, আলফা যদি আমার এই ইকুয়েশনটা একটা রুট হয়, তাহলে আমরা কি জানি এফ অফ আলফা ইকুয়াল টু 0 হচ্ছে। যদি আলফা আমার ডবল রুট হয়, আলফা যদি আমার ডবল রুট হয় তাহলে কি হবে, এফ অফ আলফাও 0 হবে, এগেন এফ ড্যাশ অফ আলফাও 0 হবে, বাট এফ ডবল ড্যাশ অফ আলফা নট ইকুয়াল টু 0
x
হবে।
minus alpha the whole square equal to 0 equation.
হ্যাঁ,
x
সিমিলারলি
minus alpha whole square.
হ্যাঁ, সে এক্স মাইনাস আলফা হোল স্কোয়ার equal to 0. Here f of x is x minus alpha. Okay, so here alpha is double root. Now f of alpha will be 0. Now take f dash of x. F dash of x is, so this is f dash of x is 2i's of x minus alpha. Now f dash of alpha will be 0, but f double dash of alpha not equal to 0. But for single root say x minus alpha equal to 0. Okay, so here for single root, and this for double root. So for single root, f of x is x minus alpha, and here f of alpha equal to 0, but f dash of alpha not equal to 0. So try to use this concept for this type of solution. Okay. আচ্ছা, পরের পার্টটা কি আজকে করাবো? মানে এখন আমি এতক্ষণ যেটা করছিলাম সেটা হচ্ছে রাইট হ্যান্ড সাইডটা ধরা হচ্ছিল 0, মানে কিউটাকে 0 পুট করে করছিলাম। যদি স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফর্মটা দেখি, স্ট্যান্ডার্ড ফর্মটা আমি এখানে কিউ নিয়েছিলাম, standard form is here, in the right hand side is the q term is present, but we have considered in each case q equal to 0. Now the next topic will be q not equal to 0. সেটা কি আজকে করাবো না পরের দিন করাবো? ওকে, ঠিক আছে, তাহলে নেক্সট ক্লাসটা আগে আমাকে একটা মেসেজ করে দেবে নেক্সট ক্লাসটা তাহলে। ওকে, ঠিক আছে, নোটটা আমি পাঠিয়ে দিচ্ছি শেয়ারকে, তোমরা লিভ করতে পারো।